Gina, saan na ako? Kala ko ba exit to Taipei 101 World Trade Center? Ay, tignan niyo po. Saan ako napunta?
Stay high for the most of time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your climb. Waking up on your sofa.
Dito na nga po ako sa MRT. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko, kung paano, kung saan ako lulusot or what. At takot-takot, kinakabahan. Baka hindi ako makapasok din sa mga nag-open yung gate. Pero tatry ko pa din na pumunta sa Taipei City. Bye! So, yan, sinusundan ko lang yung mga line dyan. So, kung magligaw man ako, bahala na si Batman. Nandito na ako sa baba ng MRT. So, good luck, good luck. Ayan. Sinusundan ko lang yung mga green light. Sabi niya, 2 lang. Okay, dito na ako.
Grabe guys, nandito na ako sa loob ng MRT. Ang linis-linis ng MRT station dito sa Taiwan.
Dito na ako, kinakabahan pa rin ako. Hindi ko na alam, exit. There it is. Kinakabahan ako, Diyos ko. Wala kasi sa Pilipinas ng ganito. Nasanay ako sa Villa Pampang talaga. Baltaan ko kayo pag nandun na ako sa location.
A few moments later.
Oh my G, nakalabas na ako ng exit 5. I made it! Look! Parang sa Luneta Park. I made my first MRT ride. Very successful. So, huwag kayong matakot. Ako kasi natakot ako. Lang yun na matakot kayo for the first time kasi hindi naman natin bansa to. Baka magbaril ako. Na makauwi sa Pilipinas. Welcome to 𝒂𝒄𝒆𝒃𝒐𝒌 Memorial Park. Guys, may nabiktima na ako magpipicture sa akin dito sa 𝒂𝒄𝒆𝒃𝒐𝒌 Memorial Hall. Ayan, si Kuya. Thank you, Kuya. Sheshe. So, that's one. Tapos Taipei 101. That one.
Welcome to the historical Liberty Square or Freedom Square of Taiwan. So guys, this is the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. It was erected in honor of Generalissimo Chiang Kai-shek, the former president of the Republic of China.
Daming tao dito, oh. Yun yung mga yan. Naghihintay yan ng mga lelot. Joke, nagtutoy yung mga yun. Nagkikisama-sama lang.
Guys, gusto ko na talagang uminom dahil napagod ako pero hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin to, next time na lang.
So, I'm here now at Taichung. This
Located in the mountainous area of Taichung, Xhiia Castle, also known as the Xhiia Mansion. It's a medieval period themed guest house that might trick visitors into thinking they are actually somewhere in Europe. Yes guys, you heard it right. Para kayong nasa Europe when you go here, with a charming mansion, pond, waterfall, and garden as a romantic backdrop. Xhiia Castle is one of the favorite destinations for pre-wedding photo shoots. Welcome guys to the Rainbow Village of Taichung. Yes guys, you heard it right. This is a rainbow village, and you know guys, this village is set for demolition, but a local resident colored the whole village, making it a famous and Instagrammable tourist spot here in Taichung.
Ayan po, siya yung nag-paint ng Rainbow Village ay si Tatay. Ayun. Ayan.
Hi guys! Welcome to the Gaomei Wetlands. Is the place in Taichung where the sea and the land meet. Wow! Buti pa sila nagme-meet. Sana all! It's a grassy and muddy tidal flat, and meron ding mga windmills dito guys. Next guys, a must-visit flower garden, also known as the Xhiia Flower Garden here in Taichung. Yes, it's known for gorgeous flower displays and sceneries. Perfect photo op siya para sa mga mahilig sa mga flowers, tulips, sunflowers, and all. So you can visit this guys in Taichung.
Guys, eto na yung araw na naman. Eto, number 1, World Trade Center number 1. Oh my G, nasaan na ako? Kala ko ba exit to Taipei 101 World Trade Center? Ay, hindi na. OA lang pala. Ganito lang. And taas-taas kasi ng escalator dito. Oh my God, wow! Wakala. Where's the Taipei 101? Oh! Oh! There it is!
Hi guys! Welcome to the Taipei 101 here in Taiwan. You know guys, it was the world's tallest building from 2004 until 2010 when it was beaten out by Dubai's impressive Burj Khalifa. Regardless, Taipei 101 is still considered the tallest green building in the world for its innovative and energy-saving design. Rich with symbolism and tradition, Taipei's iconic landmark is a standing monument to Asian feng shui traditions and modern architecture. Ito talaga yung pinunta ko dito guys, Taipei 101 na to para makita to. Ito kasi yung pinaka-famous dito sa Taiwan. So finally, I'm here already. I'm so happy. Thank you, Lord.
And worth it lahat ng pag-travel sa Taiwan. Hindi nakakasawa. So it is a must-try para sa mga first international travel. I enjoyed it so much. I learned so many lessons. And this is all worth it. Especially yung food. And the tourist destinations.
I'm going back to the Philippines, guys, and this ends my vlog in Taiwan. I really enjoyed it so much fun, so much people, so much food, so much learnings. I hope guys you'll be here soon, and I thank God for this travel. More travels to come. Happy watching, guys. Thank you.
Think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the line.